In this video, I will show you how you can connect your iPad with your Windows laptop or PC. Now to do that, first of all, on your laptop, just click on the search box. Now just open the Microsoft Store. Now after you open the Microsoft Store, then in the search bar, just search this. And from here, just install Apple devices on your laptop. Now basically, we will be able to transfer data from our laptop to our iPad. Now as you can see, this app is already installed on our laptop. But if it is not installed on your laptop yet, just click on Get and you will install the app on your laptop. Now after that, just open the app. Now after you open the app, now the next step is just connect your iPad with your laptop or your PC. To do that, just use the charging cable of your iPad and connect one end of your charging cable to your laptop. After that, just connect the other end of the charging cable to your iPad. After you connect your iPad with your laptop, your iPad might ask you that do you trust this device? Just select trust or allow and then enter the pin of the lock screen of your iPad. After you do that, you will connect your iPad with your laptop. Now as you can see, our laptop has detected our iPad. Just click on the three lines over here. As you can see from here, you will be able to transfer data from your laptop or PC to your iPad. Now for example, I will select files from here. After that, I will click on VLC, then click on Add File. Now on your laptop, just select the file which you want to transfer. For example, I will transfer this photo. I just select Open. As you can see, this is the photo which I will transfer. Now just click on Sync to transfer the file from your laptop to your iPad. Now as you can see on my iPad, if I open the Files app, over here just tap on my iPad and open the VLC folder. As you can see, this is the photo which we have transferred from our laptop to our iPad. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.